Music production.
Yo, looks like we're gonna pump out like a bunch of videos on a Sunday. So we got PLTR. We're looking at the daily time frame right now. Right, we had a huge gap down here. We filled the gap. We're creating higher highs and higher lows since mid-May, as you could see here. Kind of trying to establish a new uptrend after getting absolutely slaughtered since, when was it? Well, we've been getting slaughtered for a long time here. Cannot break over that $27 mark. Then we get crushed, bringing us down to 10 bucks, or sorry, 6 bucks, and now we're at that $10 range. So what we want to see is that break up above this support zone, right? This brings us back to 2020 IPO levels. And we want to see, is it going to be used as support now, right? That could definitely be the play here, where we come back up into this range, and it might, we might take a little bit longer to develop a base in this range, but it does look good. To be honest, right now what we could be seeing is maybe the 8 EMA trying to make that cross up over the 20 EMA to get that bullish cross. Right, so that's a good sign in terms of long-term plays in PLTR. But for now, I'd be mostly paying attention to that, right? This zone right here, if we get the break up over, it could be a good go. We'll take this off for a quick sec. And we're starting to see the 8 EMA slow. It's pointing up, right? This is the weekly time frame. It's pointing up. It could be a good sign that like it could be okay to start buying now, especially if you're long term, right? Again, I've probably said this in all my videos, but like if the easiest way, right, is if you're really bullish on a stock, you have a lot of conviction, like just dollar cost average over a long period of time, and you're probably gonna do pretty well. But if you're trying to catch a trade, then the idea here is you're going to either, find your area or your level that you think is reasonable, or if you're looking for like an indicator, wait for that 8 EMA to cross above the 20 EMA, kind of something like this, where the 8 crosses up above the 20, and that should give you at least a few weeks of bullish action. But again, we're looking at a huge bear market right now, and we're trying to make our ways out of it. That's what I'm understanding from this stock. So again, a major zone is this $14 area. Like right now, that zone, it was previous resistance for a little while, right? Look how many times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks where we got up to that range and we just couldn't break above it. So if things do go bullish and we start to see that momentum increase, that's the level where we're going to have a resistance, like for sure. So get ready to see people who are investing in at $6 take their gains at that level, which is completely cool, right? Like, it's the whole point of investing, especially if you're a short-term investor. But PLTR, man, starting to look very interesting again. I wouldn't really sleep on this one, especially as a long-term play. Peace.